Designing a wash basin area is a key aspect of creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing bathroom. Whether it's for a master bath, powder room, or guest bathroom, the wash basin should blend practicality with style, enhancing the overall ambience of the space. The choice of basin is the first and most important decision. Basins come in a variety of styles, including pedestal, wall-mounted, countertop, and undermount. Pedestal basins are classic and save floor space, making them ideal for smaller bathrooms. Wall-mounted basins, which are affixed directly to the wall, are sleek and modern, offering a minimalist look. Countertop basins, also known as vessel sinks, sit atop the counter and can serve as a focal point, adding a touch of luxury. Undermount basins are installed beneath the countertop, creating a seamless appearance that's easy to clean. Material selection is another crucial factor in wash basin design. Ceramic and porcelain are traditional materials known for their durability and ease of maintenance. Stone basins, such as those made from marble, granite, or travertine, add a natural, luxurious feel to the bathroom but require more maintenance to avoid staining. Glass basins offer a modern, contemporary look and come in various colors and finishes, but they can be more fragile. Stainless steel or copper basins are unconventional choices that lend an industrial or rustic vibe to the space. The countertop plays a significant role in wash basin design. Materials like granite, quartz, and marble are popular for their durability and upscale appearance. If you choose a vessel sink, consider a countertop material that complements the basin. For a more modern look, a floating countertop can create an open and airy feel, especially in smaller bathrooms. Pairing the countertop with matching or contrasting cabinetry can also enhance the overall design. Cabinets offer storage solutions and help keep the area around the wash basin clutter-free. In small bathrooms, opting for wall-mounted cabinets can save space while still providing storage. Faucet selection is integral to wash basin design, both functionally and aesthetically. Wall-mounted faucets are perfect for countertop basins, freeing up counter space and offering a sleek look. Traditional deck-mounted faucets are versatile and work well with most basin styles. When choosing a faucet, consider the height and reach in relation to the basin to avoid splashing and ensure comfort. Lighting is another critical element that can enhance the wash basin area. Adequate lighting around the basin is essential for daily tasks such as shaving or applying makeup. Wall-mounted sconces on either side of a mirror provide even illumination, while an overhead light can add brightness and create a more balanced look. For a touch of elegance, consider a pendant light or a chandelier above the basin area, which can serve as both a functional light source and a decorative statement piece. Mirrors above the wash basin serve both practical and decorative purposes. A large mirror can make the bathroom feel larger and brighter, while a mirror with a decorative frame can add a touch of personality. For added functionality, consider a mirror with integrated lighting or a medicine cabinet that combines storage with reflection. Finally, accessorizing the wash basin area can tie the design together. Soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and trays in materials that complement the basin and countertop can enhance the space's cohesiveness. Adding a small plant or a vase with fresh flowers can introduce a touch of nature, making the area feel more inviting. Designing a wash basin area involves a careful balance of function and style. By thoughtfully selecting the basin, countertop, faucet, lighting, and accessories, you can create a space that not only serves its practical purpose but also elevates the overall aesthetic of the bathroom.